So, hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me on this lovely little bit of A road on our way to South Woodham, because today I'm finally riding with the Essex bikers group again this year. I think it's been a couple of months now since I've last ridden with them. Anyway, today we're going to Bradwell, or as some people may know it, Munchies, which is the food place basically in the marina. We're about 5 minutes away, probably less than that from the meeting point, so I'll cut back to you all when we're leaving from there.
Right, so we are here. That's Munchies over there, where everyone's queuing for food currently. So what I'm going to do, because we've got bikes over here as well, I'm going to start on the row over here, where I'm parked up, walk around the front, go around the back row over there, I'll come along here, and then I'll shoot around to the left and do the rest. So, let's begin. I'm also going to have to constantly probably tweak the camera to make sure the shot isn't overexposed or underexposed, because the sun is kind of screwing with everything right now. There we go. Right, so starting with Ducati 848 and a KTM, is that a 1290 Adventure? I don't know my oh no, it's a 990, it says in the front. Then we have a Honda Cub, I know that one, and a KTM 790 I'm going to go with. Next to that we have a Speed Triple 1050, and next to that we have a Fireblade. Then we have a Ducati V2. I actually really like these. I'm kind of considering getting one at some point, but we have to wait a while for the insurance. Also, I do apologise, this van's been going off since we got here, it's really annoying. CBR 650F, Hornet 750, obviously my bike with my gear on it. God, that is really bright, even though it's saying it's not overexposed. There you go, it's kind of better. Z of some variety. I don't know if that's a 7, no, it's a 900, so that's on the side. Benelli YM125, WK, yeah, Essex 125. I did my CBT on one of those, it was an orange one, and I dropped it. GSXR 125, MT 125, F800 GT, oh, I can't remember, it's an F800 BMW Hornet 1000, Suzuki Bandit, I'm not sure whether that's a 600 or a 1000, I'm going to go with 600. R1, Ducati 748, which is the bike that I was riding behind on the way here. Triumph Tiger 900, that's alright. VTR, I think these are 1000. 765 RX, I believe, another street triple. CB 650R, Trident 660, another Bandit, Yamaha R7. Oh, I've seen this before. It's an, what does it say? It says it's an Aprilia SL Falco, I believe that says. I could be wrong. Try and get the exposure a bit better on that so you can see it a bit nicer. Can the CPL do anything with the sun? Not really, that's a shame. And then a Z900, I'm going to guess this is a performance because it does have the Akrapovic with Z900 stamped on it. Right, moving on. I lied, we're going to go to the right, the same way as the front row, so the sun's to my back. Starting with Yamaha FZR, I'm going to shoot this a 600, could be wrong. Ducati, is this a V4 or a V2? V2? Is that the S? Because it doesn't say S, but it's got the fins on it and an Akrapovic. I don't know if that's a yes or not. KTM 1290 Super Duke, very nice. GSX S1000F, a Bandit 1200, Ducati 1098, Street Triple 765 RS. Is that a Thundercat? It is indeed a Yamaha Thundercat. Coming along here. We have a Tracer 900 GT, two Z1000 SXs, or unless they're the 1100s actually, I could be wrong. Moving along. What's this? S1000XR, I believe. CBR 650R. Oh, hang on, wrong way. There we go. Yeah, this sun is difficult to work with. Speed Triple, I believe that one is a 1200. GSX S1000. What's that? We've got a Ducati Scrambler. Oh, they're off. Yeah, so Ducati 800 Scrambler. BMW 9T. Next to that we have a Honda, what is called CB 1100, I believe. I could be wrong. Triumph Scrambler, I believe that's a 900. Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Two S1000 double Rs, very nice.
Someone got flashed, they went back.
V-Strom, I think that's a 650. Ninja 400, 1199 Panigale, and a Herald 125. And with that, we'll go and look at the other bikes that are just over there by that big green box. Right, I've actually got a few more around here than I thought. We have a CB650F, XSR, I believe that's a 900, GSX 650F, I believe. We have Sinister Rain, another Ducati Scrambler. Oh, what is called? CB125? CBL, yeah, an old CBL 125. That's an old Triumph Speed Triple. S1000R. VFR 800, I do really like these. And oh wow, a Honda Shadow. And one that doesn't look absolutely knackered. That's quite nice to see. What have we got here then? Nice. Right, and then going over here, we have, is that a Z750? I think that's a Z750. GSXS 750. Some Jigsaw. I can never tell whether they're a 600 or 750 or 1000. Another GSXS 750. That's cool. What is this?
Clinging onto it.
That's quite cool. Small Suzuki. I don't know what it is. Looks cool though. Next to these two. Two more little Suzukis. They're quite sweet. I always like seeing the old classic bikes still out on the road. An old Street Triple. I say old. Oh, hang on. It's the same year as mine, but the previous gen. Oh, okay. Cool. So much for the old. Yeah, Street Triple 765. Generation before mine. So it's got the twin tailpipes at the back. Next to that, we have, coming around here, a Ducati Multistrada V2. Another Jigsaw. Another Jigsaw, but slightly older one, 400. That's in a livery and not all dark. GSX S1000 right here. Next to an MT-09. And there's a 1290 KTM Adventure, or Super Adventure. And with that, that's pretty much everything. So if you don't know, this is the Essex Bikers Riders Group, or at least most of them are. Obviously some people were here anyway. This is Munchies at Bradwell. They have a bike night every Wednesday. Food is in there. It is very good. I've just already eaten before I come out. I save money. Indoor seating there, outdoor seating there. And you've got the marina just over here behind. Right, if anyone or anyone else happens, if anyone else leaves or anything interesting happens, I'll film it. But if not, the next shot will be me leaving.
Right, I think I'm going to make a move already, to be fair, so I don't need to get food or drink. I came for the ride. Backing up nice and slowly. I did also manage to destroy my left testicle getting on the bike, so that's always fun. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it has been a while since I've uploaded. I haven't been uploading very regularly recently. I do apologise, I just haven't really been out doing much. But with that, I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, if you do want to check out the Essex Bikers group, I'll put a link in the description to their Facebook page. Every Wednesday they do a ride out somewhere, and then they usually do something on a Thursday as well. And I know Sammy usually organises something on the weekend. They do 125 friendly ride outs as well. But with that, thank you for watching. I'm going to enjoy the lovely Bradwell bends, and ta-ta!